How to show sub-item column summary in parent item. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can show sub-item column summary in your parent item. That means that if you have anything that is in your sub-items column, you can just move it into the parents item column. So for that, what you need to do, just watch this video and by the end of it, you'll know how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into monday.com. And after logging in, you can see that you will be redirected here on this home page. There are multiple boards here. So let's open any board randomly. So for example, this is the board that we're working on and it contains 4 sub items right here. Now, if I want to make a sub item column here and transfer it into the parent column, what do I need to do? So it's very easy and it's very simple. For example, I select the priorities sub item column. I need to click here. And then what do I need to do? I need to click here on show summary on parent column. Here you go. So I click it and it has been moved into the parent column right here. And it's going to tell us the percentages of the priorities. For example, 25%, 25, because you see that every priority is just one time, critical is only one time, low is only one time, medium is only one time. For example, if you change it to low, then the percentage is going to be changed. We change this one to critical, then this percentage is also going to be changed. So it's as easy as it is. So I hope you found this video pretty informative. Please do like the video and also subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll definitely see you with more upcoming tutorial videos related to monday.com. So good luck, guys.